At this point, buyers are doing almost all of their own research. Throw AI in the mix, and now they're finding the answers they need faster without ever talking to you. The reality is, your buyers are well into the consideration phase before you even know they're looking. You need to be able to stand out early in their process, and with all of the distractions that they have today, from text chains with friends and 1,000 open browser tabs, that's getting harder and harder to do. That means you need to get them to the value of your product faster than your competitors. So what we've done at Kaon is take decades of digital engagement experience and use it to create an interactive tool that does exactly that. It lets your customers experience the value of your product in a way they'll remember and want to come back to. So why don't we take a dive into 4 ways you can work Demo360 into your existing marketing and sales environment that will make a real impact. Number 1, website and mobile. Your buyers start their research online, so give them an interactive experience that works anywhere and makes your product feel real from the first click. Number 2, campaigns and social. Once someone takes the time to click, reward them with something engaging that they'll remember and share. Number 3, sales conversations. Skip the deck every time. Use Demo360 to explore together and turn a presentation into a real conversation. Number 4, events, trade shows, and webinars. Cut through the noise for customers and the setup headaches for your team with one consistent, interactive story.